It's often helpful in an analysis to know how many records or rows exist for a data element, and pivot tables let you quickly count the number of records. Suppose you want to see in your Rossmann sales data that how many different state holidays exist. This could be useful if, let's say, you are planning availability of cashiers in your stores and you want to account for their vacations. So here we want to check out state holidays and count how many of them are occurring. Let's create a pivot table for this. You go to Insert, Tables, and insert a pivot table. You do it in a new sheet. The variable that we are interested in is state holidays. So we pick state holiday and drag it 2 rows. And here you can see that 0 represents no holidays, A is public holiday, B is Easter holiday, and C is Christmas holiday. And now we want to add counts for these holidays over here. So we drag state holiday and bring 2 values. And here we have the overall total counts for no holiday and the state holidays. Let's say we want to do this on a store by store basis. So we can actually bring store ID to our rows. By default, the state holiday, since it was added before, so that takes precedence, and you see basically all state holidays 0 for all stores, then A for all stores, B for all stores, and C for all stores. But this is not what we want to have. We want to have stores first and then the holidays within them. So all you need to do is to reorder the state holiday and store. And you can do this by a simple drag and drop. So bring state holiday below store. And this will reorder your data in a way that now the store number is coming first at a higher level, and then within each store you see how many times no holiday is there and holiday type A, B, and C are there. Since we are doing this exercise to identify the staffing needs during vacations, so let's filter out the days where there are no vacations. So for this, we can take our state holiday, bring it to filters, and instead of having all the values, we deselect 0. So now we are able to see only the state holidays with a holiday in place. Please notice that when we apply the filter, the variable state holiday is automatically removed from our rows. So we need to bring this back again. And now we have everything in place. So now we have our state holidays for all the stores and only the information for days where the holiday is there and not when there is no holiday. What we can also do here is to sort our store information with respect to when we have the most holidays, which stores have the most holidays. And for this, we can pick up any of these where we have this total count and right click, sort, and sort largest to smallest. And now we know that store number 91 has the most holidays, 32, out of which 22 are public holidays, 6 are Easter, and 4 are Christmas. And then when we scroll down, so as against 32, which was highest, the lowest number of holidays are there for our store number 11, where there are only 24 holidays, out of which 14 are public holidays, 6 are Easter, and 4 are Christmas holidays.